Good afternoon guys. Today I am back with another video. Today I will show you how to renew and wash your Jopasu duster. So before going for the washing and renewing procedure, when you should go for washing and renewing your Jopasu duster, that is to be done first. So let me show you for this example. This is my old Jopasu duster, and for this I will show you a time will come, as you see, that is it is no more dusting properly. Remains of dust are still there, and this is the ideal time to wash and renew your Jopasu duster. Now this is your Jopasu rejuvenator. It is actually a wax, a liquid type of wax that you need to spread evenly to your particular duster, and it is being provided with a spray gun. So this is the rejuvenator. So the first step will be now to wash that particular old Jopasu duster, and after that I will show you what is the result. Now the next step will be to wash this particular Jopasu duster. So you can easily open it from your handle. It is very simple. Now I will put it inside the washing machine and use good quality detergent. Here I will be using gentle detergent and wash it in. If you don't use a washing machine, you can use a normal bucket wash also. Now I will put it in a mixed fabric option and give it a wash. So the wash cycle has started. It will take around 50 minutes to complete this cycle. After the washing cycle is over, I will dry it in the sun, and I will let it dry for 24 hours, and since it's winter time, it will take more time to dry as the sun's intensity is quite less. So let the wash cycle complete first. So the Jopasu has dried up. Now it is stripped of all wax properties. So in order to renew this particular duster, you need to spray this rejuvenator wax. Actually it is actually paraffin, and as it says that you should spray at least 30 to 40 times, so it will be difficult for you to remember, but actually you should cover the entire area with this particular paraffin. So let me spray it up, and this has to be done 3 times. Once you spray it, allow it to dry for 40 minutes to 1 hour. Repeat the process. So you should do at least 3 times. It says it should be done at least 150 times. So I will show you one procedure, and once it dries up, I will check with the car how it leaves the dust. So let's start the procedure. Lift it in hand like this and spray it evenly. It says that it can rejuvenate 3 times. Allow all the areas to be covered evenly like this. So it has become totally wet with paraffin. Now I will allow it to dry for 1 hour in the sun. As you can see that the waxing part has been completed, and I have dried it properly. Now I will dust the car. You see it is full of dust, and you see it's very effectively picking up all the dust, just like a new duster will work. I will just dust the half of it, and then I will bring a new duster. Check the bonnet. So I have dusted half of this car with this particular old duster, and it's working just like a new one. Now I'll bring the new duster and check the difference. This is the new duster. With this we'll do this part. This part I have done with the old duster, and this part I will be doing with the brand new duster. You see, it's both are working like same, so both are working perfectly. So in fact there is no difference with the new and old duster. Okay, so you see it's looking absolutely like a washed car. So these dusters are very effective. So in this way you can easily renew your old Jopasu duster. I have shown you the total procedure, how to wash and how to spray wax, and it is working just effectively like a new duster. So if you find the video useful, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and if you have any queries regarding this procedure, feel free to contact me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and goodbye.